Hello guys, we are CYhair, and today videos I will show you different type of texture in our hair. The first one I'm holding in my hand right now is the nature wavy style weft hair from us. You can see the hair is very nice, also very silky and smooth. And next one, this is our closure. This is 4x4 size, and this one is a smaller size. And next one, this is the frontal from us. You can see they are bigger than closures and you can cover the whole hair on your head. This is an excellent choice if you want to get the full cover of your hair. I'm testing it. And next one, this is the nature color black weft hair from us. This is very long, 20 inches. Also double round, and you can see very nice textures and almost no tangling on the hair. This is the same as well. I will test a few times so you can see it. The hair quality is almost the same across other, so you don't have to worry about the quality when you buy it. And this one is our frontal again. This is a smaller size if someone wants to enhance it just a little bit. And we will back again to the other size, and this is the longer versions of the weft hair. Also, we have multiple colors to choose from if you want to have other colors for the hair, like ombre color, pinot color. Just let us know which type color that you want. We will do it for you. Yes, it's very silky and it's a 100% raw hair. And this one is the closures. And frontal again. This one is the big size that we have right now. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.